Let's have a look at this function, y is equal to x squared. This is the graph of the function. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the area, the shaded region here. So we have to set up this integral and calculate it. We write it like this. The integral sign is like a S sign, and we have to determine the lower limit and the upper limit. In this case, we decided that the lower limit is going to be 1, x is equal to 1, and the upper limit is going to be 3, x is equal to 3. So, in other words, the area between the curve and the x-axis and the lower limit and the upper limit. Okay, and this is how we write it. A big S, the integral sign, between 1 and 3 of the function x squared, and then we say just dx, but it means with respect to x, which means that the variable is x. So the integral of x squared dx with the lower limit 1 and the upper limit 3, and this is how we do it. The integral of x squared from 1 to 3 is equal to, now we have to find the integral of the function. The integral of the function x squared is going to be x3 over 3, and then we always add the constant, so plus c. And now we put the limits here, 1 to 3, lower limit 1, upper limit 3. Now we have to use this expression twice. First, we use the expression with the upper limit 3. So instead of x, we just enter the value 3. So take this expression, but x is 3, as you can see here. Then minus, and the whole expression again, with the lower limit. This time, the lower limit, x is 1, so we enter 1. As you can see here, the this one is plus c minus c, so we have no constants left. So in the future, we never have to even write out the plus c here because they will disappear anyway. It's not important to find the integral, or to calculate the integral rather. Now let's continue. Let's see if we can simplify this. So this is basically going to be, we can cross out the 3 here, cross out a 3 here, so it's going to be 3 to the power of 2. This is going to be 1 over 3, so 1/3. 3 squared is going to be 9 minus 1/3. Let's make this into thirds. So we multiply by 3 and divide by 3. Then we get 27/3, or 9. It's the same thing. 9 is 27/3 minus 1/3. So 27/3 minus 1/3 is going to be 26/3. So that is the integral, or the, in this case, the area in gray. Let's try it with the calculator. Just open a calculator page, and you can find it, for example, here in menu, calculus, integral. The lower limit was 1. Let me just move up here. The upper limit was 3. The function x squared, and then dx. It means with respect to x, because the variable is x. Then we press enter, and it will calculate the integral for us. So 26/3, which is the same result we got here. And this is how to write it out if you don't have a calculator. So you can just enter this and press enter and get the answer.